I am going to show you how you can take almost any image and turn it into a Cricut cut file. I came across this idea. I would like to take this wording here and turn it into a picture frame. I'm going to make a lot of things for my home office. So this was just a t-shirt that I grabbed out of my closet. I took a picture of it on my couch and with my phone, and I emailed it to myself. Okay, so now we are going to save this image, and I'm just going to name it Boss. And I'm going to save it to my desktop for now. Okay, so now we can go ahead and we can close out of this. And you can use any photo editor you want. I am simply using this Be Funky photo editor because I only need the crop feature. So we are going to open up that picture that says Boss. Here it is. And as you can see, it's just a picture that I took of a t-shirt laying right on my couch and took it with my phone. So we're going to crop it. And then now we are going to save it. It's going to ask me if I want to override this image. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay. So now we're going to go over here to the Cricut design space. I'm going to do a new project. And I have already done most of the work on this image because I didn't want to bore you with all of the details. Okay, so we are going to upload the image. We're going to go down here. We're going to find it, Boss. Okay, so here it is right here, the picture of my t-shirt that I had cropped. We're going to click Simple Image and continue. Okay. On this, it is very big. You can either zoom out or zoom in. I actually like this really big so I can see what I'm doing. I use these two tools, the Select and Erase and the Eraser button. So I'm going to, I kind of toggle back and forth with both of those. So we're going to take out what we don't want to cut. So I already took out the background, and I'm going to just kind of keep going here. And once again, I already have this completed because this is tedious. Even though it doesn't take that long to do, it takes about maybe 5 minutes, and I'm not going to do that. I'm just kind of going to show you pretty much how it's done. Okay. I use my eraser tool for things like this. I'm not going to need this in the image that I'm wanting to cut for my photo. I'm going to frame it and hang it on my wall. So this is just what you do. You kind of go through here. You can make your eraser bigger. So I think you're getting the idea, so that I don't bore you with all the details of how to do this. You can kind of see. Okay, so when I go to upload this image, it's going to kind of look messy. Okay, I'm going to click continue. Okay, over here is our cut file. Okay, and once again, I didn't take all this out, but I have one that is ready. Okay, so we'll save. And I don't know, really, you don't need to save. Okay, I'm going to go here and I'm going to upload the image. I'm going to upload the one that I've actually is finished, which is this one. And this is our cut file. Let me make it a little smaller so that everybody can see this. So this is our cut file, and you can make this whatever size you want to make it, however you want to do it. But I think this was pretty cool that I grabbed the t-shirt out of my closet, took a picture of it with my phone, and here it is. So that's how you do that. Thanks for watching.